tabs all sorted, it's time to set some basic settings, including language and homepage, and introduce you to bookmarks. By default, Chrome sets itself up with the English US language, which works okay, especially if you're in the US, but localizing it to your country will make life a lot easier. Here in Australia, English Australian works better by formatting dates in day, month, year order and making sure spell checking is done in Australian English, so we get less Z's and more S's and U's. The menus in Chrome are found by clicking the menu button that consists of 3 dots in the top right corner, sometimes called the hamburger menu because of the way it's stacked. This button can sometimes be an orange arrow if Chrome requires a restart to finish updating, or a red arrow if there are extensions that are new. See the forthcoming episode on extensions. Anyway, by clicking this button, it'll bring up a lengthy set of available options. For now, we're interested in the settings menu option. Now there are hundreds of options in here, so we're going to take the easy way out and search for what we want in the search bar at the top. Firstly, we can type LANG to set our language and spell check. The next option we're going to tackle is to set our homepage. This is the page that's first displayed when we launch Chrome. By default, it's the new tab page, which gives us a great combination of Google search and a selection of our most used pages, and it's probably the best place to start. But if there's a page that you always want to access when you start Chrome, say a local news site or your favorite YouTuber, you can set that as your homepage by going to the Startup section, clicking on Open a specific page or set of pages, and adding the site you want in here. As you can see, we've got the main Google homepage set here for simplicity. The other time this setting is useful is if your homepage has been hijacked. Sometimes installing software will change your homepage to something that often looks like Google, but shows a bunch of ads or other information that crowds out the homepage and gives you skewed results. All you need to do is return to the settings menu, find the Startup section, and reset the homepage to your preferred option. The final part of this episode is dedicated to bookmarks. Like the bookmark in a dead tree book, these serve as an easy way to return to a location, but instead of being for one book, they can be the whole of the web. Bookmarking a website gives you a simple named mark that you can return to at any time, a huge time saver for sites you access frequently. Bookmarks come in 2 forms, the standard long form bookmark and the Bookmarks Bar. I like the Bookmarks Bar, so while we're in settings, I recommend turning it on if it's not already, like this. Once turned on, the Bookmarks Bar appears below the address bar here and allows quick access to any sites you wish to access. To add a site to the Bookmark Bar, simply click the blue star outline at the end of the address bar, name the bookmark and select the Bookmark Bar as the location. Another way is to drag the site information button to the left of the address bar to the Bookmark Bar and drop it in place. By doing this, we can quite quickly develop an index of our most used sites that we can access in an instant. And drawing on our previous lesson, we can even middle click a bookmark and have it open in a new tab, and so quickly prepare a collection of pages to read and browse. Okay, it's a quick introduction to settings, localization, home pages, and bookmarks. For more, make sure you're subscribed below, and if you've got any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.